Well, a judge in Sarasota County is considering whether or not to throw out a lawsuit filed by Gabby Petito's parents. Joseph Petito and Nicole Schmidt are suing Brian Laundrie's parents for damages in their daughter's death. They say the Laundries knew Brian was guilty and said nothing. Let's get to Fox 4 investigative journalist Ryan Kruger, now live with a reaction from the courtroom. Ryan.
Yeah, Nadine, the judge says he wants to focus on whether or not Chris and Roberta Laundrie had a legal duty to say something about Gabby Petito's death. The Laundries did not show up in court today. Instead, their lawyer argued that the lawsuit against them should be thrown out. The Laundries' attorneys argue they have the right to remain silent. Meanwhile, lawyers for the Petitos argue that the Laundries inflicted intentional harm because they believe they knew Gabby was dead and didn't say anything while the search for her body went on.
They knew starting on August 28th of 2021 that Gabby was dead. They knew where Gabby's body was. They knew that the Petito family was desperately searching for information.
The law imposes no such obligation to speak, and the state and federal constitutions support that. In our society, under our laws, people are free not to speak.
And a lot of this lawsuit centers around a statement from the Laundrie family attorney in August of last year. The attorney said that the Laundries hoped Gabby would eventually be reunited with her parents. Meanwhile, the Petitos argue that the Laundries already knew Gabby was dead when those comments were made. The judge said he would release a written order on that motion to dismiss in the next 2 weeks. If the case is not thrown out, a jury trial is scheduled for August of 2023. Ryan Kruger, Fox 4 Investigates.
Ryan, thank you.